Do you want to say hi? You want to say hi? Oh, you love to give kisses. You're a kisser, Diva. Diva's a sweet kisser. Diva's a beautiful baby. Oh, she's got the most beautiful little face. She does, and she's so pretty and so sweet, too. You like to be... I know this is your favorite little scratch. She even lifts her legs for a little tummy scratch. You're so pretty. You are so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at that tail. Look at that tail. Look at that tail. You little monkey. You're my little baby sweet princess. She's a Princess Diva. That's oh, kisses, kisses. Look how tiny she is. She was born December 4th, so she's a little bit, she's almost 4 months old, so she's not a baby, but she's still really tiny. And she's full of personality too. Oh my goodness. Only you can see her. She's like barely the tip of my finger. She's so pretty. She's got the most beautiful disposition. I love you too, honey. I love you too.